everybody, I am Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Today we're going to be working on number 8 of Junk Journal January 2025, and this is hosted by Meg Journals. You can check out all her wonderful interpretations of the prompts on her channel, but today we're working on number 8, and that is antique. So I'm going to put something antique inside here, but I wanted to show you guys that I found some foam mounting tape stashed away in my drawer, and so I added a little bit more to this to show more depth. Can you see how this top layer is sticking out? It almost looks like a wreath. But see there's definitely more depth there now, so I feel better about this one. I can really tell that the swan is farther away than these. And this is my punch that I used. I had to get some more punched out, but anyway, let's figure out something for antique. Okay guys, so I have this little antique calling card from Marguerite M. Dolan, 271 Riverdale Avenue, Yonkers, New York. The telephone number was YO83083, and this was passed down to my, to me from my ancestors, but I'm going to just kind of decorate it a little bit. On the front, I think I'm going to add a couple of tiny little flowers, stamp them on. I thought I had more than one, maybe not. I've got 2 hedgehogs. Here we go. I'm going to just put a couple of flowers here, or actually, maybe better yet, I think I have something better. And it's this. I'm just gonna kind of, I don't know, will that look good that way? Maybe I'll just do across the top with some of the berries. That's what I'm gonna do. So, hopefully I am in frame here. If I stay in my square, I'll be in frame, right? Alright, so we'll put this on here. And I am on my little step stool making sure I am in frame. I'm going to ink around the edges. You can see it's got some natural aging there. But actually what I think I'll do is this. And we'll just go ahead and go across the top. Get some other parts of it. Oops. There, I think that's pretty good. Alright, how's that look? Not bad. Kind of would probably look better if it was all the way around though. Let's ink all the way around. I have a couple of little Tim Holtz little, I don't know what you call them, die cuts that I can decorate the other side with. And I actually do think I'm going to put the whole stamp down on the other side. I think that will look nice. And, well, the whole one didn't come out as good as normal as it did before. Let's see what we've got here. We got a little piece of music paper. That's not from Tim Holtz. I don't know. These are all kind of tiny. Too tiny, maybe. I'm going to put the music paper on. Like so. We could put a little label. That would be alright. I think I will ink the label. And probably the music paper too. How about a mushroom? Or a stamp, an old stamp. Oh, I had a, where'd it go? I have this old Helen Keller stamp. Maybe that would look good. It's kind of big though. And what else did I say? A label? No, maybe not the label. Could put the label down here, maybe. What else have we got here? A fake little stamp. What's this one? Well, that's another one of those. This I don't feel like goes with the color scheme. Well, I'm going to ink around this. Okay, we got that. I just feel like I need something. Maybe I should put this down here. We'll put the stamp up there. We can put this here. And the label right there. Maybe something like that. And I think I'll stamp with that some more down here after I get all this stuff glued down. So let's try this. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And I appreciate you being here watching what I make. Okay, I'm hoping to spend some time with my grandson this week before my husband's surgery, which would mean it would have to be today or tomorrow. How's that? This, whoa, don't lose it. Okay, I put a batch of chili in for my husband and my son who's home from college. This glue, I don't like it. It doesn't stick fast enough. It's just Elmer's glue in here, actually. But I'd rather have Fabri-Tac. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this again. Like right down here. Maybe a little more. Okay. I feel like I should put a number or something on there too. I have my little tiny numbers. Maybe I could, I don't know if I can fit a number on it though. Let's see. Does this fit? I'm going to try it on a different one. Oh yeah, okay. So let's put number 14 or 15 because the stamp is 15 cents. Let's do that. I think that looks pretty cute. Yeah, I do. I think I should ink around the edge of this side too. And this is what's going to go inside my tuck spot from number 7. Oh, I should have put a number 8 on there. I think I will put 8 on this side. Right? It's number 8. Yeah, because that's 6 and 7. So let's get number 8. And I'll just put this right over here. So that's number 8. My antique calling card that I decorated on the back. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to tuck it right in here, but not upside down. And that's my prompt number 8. Next one is hidden. Well, I could actually consider it. Put it in that way and consider it hidden, but I feel like that would be cheating, so I got to find something else to hide. But thanks so much for watching, and I hopefully will be able to keep up as my husband recuperates and all that jazz. See you again next time. Bye-bye.